You gonna come back for the air show? You said you would. You said you were gonna work for an hour and a half. I'd be cutting it short by like. Oh, what do we have here? I was gonna say, what is the reason for this again? No memory at all. What the fuck? Just. Whoa, it was big. That thing was big. The fuck? That was weird. Like, I would love, like, more than anything, I would say, for that to be Venus or Saturn or any of them, you know? Any of them. Fuck it. Put Jupiter there now. I don't even care. I mean, that's funny. But I don't think that's Jupiter. But hang on, it is. It's just orange. It's just orangey to me. What are you? What is happening? Okay, later. Peace out and shit. What the fuck is that? It's like a... We are now in the future. And maybe we'll be able to see a planet tonight. It has been literally fogged up for days. There were days, and there were days. There were days between. There was just a cool hawk. Something, something, and autumn dies, and the world grows dark and mean. So it looks pretty, it kind of looks clear, right? I mean, I don't know. It's like a haze over the situation because, well, it's been like that for literally since the night of the full moon, which was what, the 13th? Looks like there's something in my phone. It's in my phone. But this really cool hawk, he did this. I mean, you can tell a hawk because of their call. But, and then he landed. I mean, he might be right there.